Hello everyone, welcome to the SketchUp Arc Studio. In this tutorial, we're going to make a 3D model of the counter for the restaurant. So it's very simple tutorial. It's also for the beginners, but you can get familiar with some actions like the extrude, push and pull, working with groups and components, and also materials very fast and quick. So before we start this tutorial, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's get to work and jump into it. First of all, I need a rectangle. Also, I'm going to click on the rectangle, start my modeling from the origin point. So I'm going to add some numbers and sizes for this contour. The total number is 60 centimeter is our width, and also 260 centimeter our length. So I'm going to type 60, 260 and press enter. Okay. Now I'm gonna make this edge of it very simple and easy as the arc. So I need tape measure. I'm gonna click on the tape measure and measure my line about the some number like, for example, 26 centimeter, and from here 26 centimeter. Now you need 2-point arc for drawing your arc lines in SketchUp. I'm going to click on the 2-point arc in here and get some help from this intersected line in here. So I'm going to left click, move it here, and draw my tangent to edge arc about 26.0 centimeter. I'm going to press click, open the selection box, remove these extra lines in here. And also I want to make this edge a little bit smooth. So I'm going to click on it, click on the paint bucket in here. And also in the tentative info in here, I'm going to increase the segments from 12 to 24 enter. I'm going to close it like that, click on the push or pull. And I'm going to push this face about 100 centimeter. Okay, from right side, I'm going to start my division. So I'm going to click on it, click on the move option, press Ctrl on my keyboard, copy activated for me. And now I'm going to take some copy about 60 centimeter, another copy about 32 centimeter, another copy about 90 centimeter, and also the continuum of it is the shelves. So for now, everything is fine for me. Also, I can add another door in here. It depends on you. I prefer to add the door like this or equal with this one. This one was 32. So I'm going to take a copy like that, about 32 centimeter. Okay. Now I'm going to push this one to the backward, about 58 centimeter. And with these lines, we have some work in here. So I'm going to select them like that, like this, hold Ctrl, select what you want, click on the move option, press Ctrl on your keyboard, and increase the height of it about 10. We took a copy on 10 centimeter, click on the eraser, click on the push or pull, push it to the back side about 2 centimeter like this. And now I'm gonna start modeling doors in here. So I'm gonna click on it, make a group very simple. Now I'm gonna click on the rectangle again, draw some rectangle like this, click on it, make a component. Now I'm gonna take some copies like that, click on the scale bar, rescale it with the new size, another copy like that, another copy like this. And also we need 2 doors for here. So I'm gonna click on the scale, and I want to scale the doors from the midpoints like that. Now I'm going to take the second copy like this. Click on one of them, click on the push or pull, and move it forward about 1.6 centimeter. 1.6 centimeter is the default and original thickness of the MDF panels. If we use MDF panels, also most of the time we use MDF panels. So I'm going to click on the offset and offset it about some number like 0.5. Click on the push or pull, push it to the back side, and now we have doors Very simple and easy. Okay, also we need some handles for these doors. So I'm going to click on the align option, move my cursor on one of these surfaces, left click, hold shift, make sure you draw your line on the red axis. So 2 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and again to the inside 2 centimeter. Now I'm going to click on the rectangle in here, draw my rectangle from this endpoint like that, and we imagine the thickness of our handles something about 8 millimeter or 7 millimeter. So I'm going to type 0.7, 0.7, select all of it, hold shift, deselect the face, click on the follow me option, and your handle will be generated for you. So I'm going to click on it, make a group, click on the move it to this edge in here, and take your copies like that. We need another copy in here also, like this, another one in here, and the last one also in some place like that. So I'm going to select all of these handles, very simple. Click on the move option, move them to the downside about 10 centimeter. Now I'm going to adjust all of them, very simple. Click on these two handles at the right side, move it about 4 centimeter. This one also is about 4 centimeter, and this one is about 4 again, and this one is about 4 again, like this. So everything is done for me now. In here we will have a sink, so I'm going to click on it, the sink for washing machines. I'm going to click on the drawing line, draw my line like that, click on the offset, and offset it about 6 centimeter. Click on it, delete this extra line, move it to the downside about 20 centimeter, and now everything is done. Again, I need some surface for here, so I'm going to click on the rectangle, start from here, draw till here, draw another rectangle on this sink point, delete it, and also we need 2-point arc in here. So I'm going to click on the 2-point arc and draw some arc like that, select it, paint bucket, entity info, 24 segments. Now I'm going to delete it, and now time for extruding. Control, extrude. How much? Something like 4 or 3 is enough. Okay, everything is done. Click on the make group and make group it again. Okay, Control S. Now I'm going to open the 3D warehouse in here, and I like to search for the small fridge in here. I'm going to select one of these fridges. For example, something like this is not bad. I'm going to click on the download. Yes, it will download for me. Very simple. I'm going to place it. Now I'm going to move it. Click on the rotate option in here. Rotate it about 90. Click on the move it to this edge in here. Now rescale the size a little bit. I'm going to click on the scale, move it to here, fit it with the doors in here, and also I'm going to measure about 45 centimeter. Click on the scale option again, like this. And now we need another copy to the left side. Use the flip option, flip it, click on the move, and also set it with this edge in here. Everything is done. Now we're going to backward like that. And also we need another sink for here. So I'm going to click on the 3D warehouse again. Click on this icon, which is the home. And now I'm going to reset my search setting. I'm going to type sink, enter. And I'm going to download one of these sinks for my project. For example, this one is not bad. Click on the download. Yes, it will download for me. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to use this endpoint, move it to this part, click on the scale and scale it with my project like this. and the height of it is really important. So I'm going to use tape measure. I'm going to tape measure it about, for example, 20 or 22 centimeter. Click on the scale and rescale it like this. Okay, everything is done. And now I'm going to click on the paint bucket in here. And also I'm going to change the style of it. So I'm going to click on the styles in here, go to the edit, start from the edge setting, reduce the profile thickness to the 1, and also the type of showing is really important. I need totally white in here, something like that. Also change the back color to the white. Everything must be white. Refresh your style and use the ambient occlusion for increasing the detail of your 3D model. Like this. Again, update it. And now I'm going to click on the isometric view in here. Set my camera, something like this. Control S. Click on the file, export to the graphics. It takes a little bit of time and it will export for you very simple. So be patient. And I'm gonna use the JPG format. I'm going to use the desktop and type industrial 3D model. In the options, increase the line scale a little bit, 3, and click on the export. Okay, we will wait for it. It takes a little bit time. SketchUp will export it for you in here. And this is the example that we have. So I'm going to open the Firefox, and before this tutorial I wrote some prompt for the KeyShot rendering. So I'm going to click on the add file. In here I'm going to click on the upload file. In here I'm going to click on the desktop, and I'm going to find my project. Very simple. So the project name was industrial 3D model. Open. And I just want to send it to see what will happen. This is the 3D model which I generated with the SketchUp, and I want to see Gemini how can render it with the KeyShot template renders as the industrial rendering. So I will wait for it to create the image. It takes a little bit of time, and after that you can see what will generate by the Google Gemini. So the result is something like that. You can click on it and you can use it in your future projects. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If this tutorial really useful for you, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.